Let's talk about thin eyelashes. If one of your major cosmetic concerns is thin eyelashes, then you're not alone. There are millions of women who suffer from thin eyelashes and would like to get them thicker. So this is a cosmetic issue for millions of women. You can see there's some thin eyelashes there. And it's something that really we haven't talked a lot about until the emergence of a certain product many years ago. And that product is Latisse. Now, Latisse is a prescription solution called bimatoprost, and this is the only FDA-approved treatment to lengthen, darken, and thicken your eyelashes. Now, this is originally a glaucoma medication, and the interesting story behind Latisse is that these patients were getting eye drops for the bimatoprost for glaucoma. And as they followed up with their doctors, they started finding out that these patients, who are usually quite a bit older, had these luscious, thick eyelashes. So where did they come from? And they figured out that it was the medication, the eye drops that they were using for their glaucoma. Well, Allergan, the company that makes Latisse, has now had it FDA approved and tested. When you apply it to the actual eyelid, you can get those eyelashes to thicken and darken and lengthen as well. So with Latisse, you want to apply, it's just a little drop, you want to apply it on the applicator and apply it to your eyelid every night. The results typically take about 1 to 2 months, and you can get maximal results in about 3 to 4 months. It's a very well tolerated treatment. There is a small risk of some skin irritation in the area, but other than that, most people do really, really well with it. And even the skin irritation is very, very unusual. There is this thought that you may get a color change of your iris. So if you've got a light colored iris, let's say you're blue-eyed or light green-eyed, there are some people that worry that Latisse may darken your eyes, but that's not shown to necessarily be the case, especially if you're applying it just to the lashes. You're not dropping it into your eye. That should not be an issue for you. And that color change, once again, is an extremely rare thing and typically found when you're using the bimatoprost as an actual eye drop, not as a cosmetic lash enhancer. Let's take a look at a couple of before and after photos. And these are from the company. And you can see that the top photo is week 0 and the bottom photo is week 16. So it does take 3 to 4 months to get optimal results with the Latisse, and you do apply it every night. Here's another picture before and after. You can see, I mean, these are some pretty impressive changes, and we have seen this as well in my patients and my practice as well. So Latisse you can purchase here at the office, here at YPS. We just have a quick questionnaire for you, just asking you about some medications and your medical history, just because it is a prescription medication, but you can purchase it here. You start applying it. There are some little secrets that we have that we can teach you when you come in the office of how to make your Latisse, your box of Latisse, last longer than what they recommend. These are some off-label recommendations that we can make when you come in if you decide that you want to try it. It does wear off afterwards. So if you stop using Latisse, in general, the amount of time that it took for your eyelashes to grow and to get thicker like that, it will take about that amount of time for your eyelashes to gradually go back to what their baseline status is. And so if you stop using Latisse, it does go away. And unfortunately, that's why you have to keep using it if you do like the results. But it really does work, and it is super well tolerated. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you suffer from thin eyelashes, you're not alone. Millions and millions of women and some men are into getting those eyelashes thicker, longer, and looking more luscious. Latisse is a great way to do it.